The UAG Plasma XTE case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a standout option for those seeking a blend of rugged protection and enhanced functionality. One of its most notable features is the built-in metal kickstand, which offers multi-viewing angles for hands-free content consumption, virtual meetings, and video calls. This feature alone makes it a versatile choice for users who rely on their devices for both work and entertainment. The case's sculpted corners provide reinforced drop protection, ensuring your device can withstand accidental drops. A raised screen surround adds an extra layer of defense against scratches and cracks, while the raised camera bezel protects the lens without compromising the phone's ability to lay flat on surfaces. For those who prioritize magnetic charging, the UAG Plasma XTE is compatible with MagSafe and most third-party wireless chargers, making it a convenient option for seamless charging and accessory attachment. Enhanced functionality is another highlight, with ultra-responsive, oversized tactile buttons that deliver a satisfying click feel. The case also supports lanyard card compatibility, though the lanyard is not included, and offers precise cutouts for easy access to the S Pen. Durability is a key selling point, as the case has been military-grade drop tested to 20 feet, 6 meters, and meets 5x military drop test standards, MILSTD 810G 516.6. This level of protection ensures that your Galaxy S25 Ultra remains safe even in the most demanding environments. Overall, the UAG Plasma XTE case combines robust protection with practical features, making it an excellent choice for users who need a reliable and functional case for their Galaxy S25 Ultra.